Namaskar. This is G. Srinivas Rao preparing the video for the 10th class students. And this video talks about trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of relationships between sides and angles of triangle. In this video, we'll try to learn some ratios of the sides of right angle triangles with respect to its acute angle called trigonometric ratios of the angle. See, the ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Angle B, angle B opposite side is known as hypotenuse. And with respect to angle A, the opposite side is BC. That's called opposite sides to angle A. AB is adjacent side to angle A. Since there are three sides, we'll be having 6 ratios. We'll try to learn now the trigonometric ratios. First, opposite side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, that is BC by AC, is known as sine A. Generally written as sine A. The other ratio, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC, is known as cosine A. Cosine A, that is generally written as cos A. Third ratio, that is opposite side by adjacent side with respect to angle A, that is BC by AB, is known as tangent A. Generally written as tan A. So, the other 3 ratios, they are the reciprocals of the above ratios. For example, so let us say the hypotenuse, that's cosecant A, the cosecant A, generally written as cosec A, is 1 by sine A. That is hypotenuse by opposite side. That is the cosecant A, that's called cosec A, is the ratio between the hypotenuse to opposite side. And the fifth one, secant A. Secant A, that's generally written as sec A, is 1 by cos A, is hypotenuse by adjacent side. And the sixth one, cotangent A, is generally written as cot A, is 1 by tan A, is nothing but reciprocal, no? That's adjacent side by opposite side. So these are 6 ratios we will be getting from this right angle triangle ABC. We also know, we can also see from this, that is tangent A, tan A is sin A by cos A. How? What is sin A? Sin A is BC by AC divided by what is cos A? AC, AB by AC. So this is nothing but BC by AC. So BC by AB. So BC by AB is what? BC by AB is the tan A. So tan A is BC by AB. Similarly, the cot A can be proved as cos A by sin A. That is, what is cot A? That is, what is sin A? What sin A is BC. Sorry, what is cos A? AB by AC divided by sin A is BC by AC. So nothing but it is AB by BC. So AB by BC is what is that we got? So AB by BC is nothing but adjacent side to the opposite side. So like that we have the ratios and some relation between the tan and sin cos, cot and cos and sin. Okay friends.